good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are watching from. It's me, your girl, Pretty Osas. So now, I decided to make buns. Egg roll. This is my flour. This is my sugar. 4 teaspoons of sugar. And the flour. This is my nutmeg. Half teaspoon. My baking powder. Teaspoon of baking powder. My butter. My egg. My milk. Condensed milk I will be using. So let's get started, guys. This is the flour I'm using now. Sorry guys, my kitchen is very dark. I'm sorry about that. So now first of all, I'm going to add my I'm going to add butter to it now. So I'll mix it very well. Hope you guys can see me. My meat bit by bit to the mixed. So this is my flour. I've been doing this for 10 minutes now. I'm still mixing it. So guys, you have to let this mix very well. It's very important. It's very, very important. This is the dough. So look at it. And I'm going to put my egg inside. Make sure you cover it very well so that it won't get burst when it's inside the oil. It's very important you roll your dough very well. Just make sure push it inside.
My leg is
This is it, guys. This is how it looks like after rolling it like this. So guys, if it's sticky, you use the other flour to do it so that it will get burst inside the oil. Just roll it very well. Make sure that everything is closed like this where I did it. Too big, so I have to take out of inside. Don't want it too big, just small. But it will rise when it gets to oil. This is it, guys. Egg roll. make sure everything's wet close. Oh guys, I'm done. So it's a continued process, guys. Ready to fry. Just finished doing it. It's time to fry now. Yeah, grow, guys. Hello guys, this is it. My egg roll is still on the fire. This is it. My kids almost finished this. Guys, this is the end of my egg roll. Look at that. It's wet cooked inside. Everything is wet cooked inside. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click like, comment, share, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Stay blessed guys. I love you all. Bye bye.